Hello everyone, today we are at Palewadi and we are about to see a smart 3 BHK. This is a sample flat, fully furnished sample flat of a smart 3 BHK. So let's have a look. This is how we enter the flat. So this is your entrance foyer, the main entrance door, and this is your a very well designed living cum dining area. So I'll show you. This is the living area. Since it is a fully furnished flat, you will get an idea how you can design your apartment. So this is your living area. In front of your living room setup, you have the TV unit setup. So like this you can decorate your TV unit set, and this side is dining area. So it is separated from your living room. A dedicated position for your dining table set. You can see this is a 6-seater dining table, and just beside your dining area you have your kitchen, the entry level of your kitchen. Kitchen will have L-shaped kitchen platform. See how well decorated this kitchen area is. You can decorate your kitchen like this or as per your taste. This side will be a dedicated position for refrigerator, and this is partially open. So this is up to you how you can utilize it, how you want to decorate it. You can close this portion also. So we had kept it open to show you how you can beautify your kitchen area. And just after your kitchen platform, which will be a glossy platform, black granite glossy platform, and a sink will be provided which will have PMC water connection. After this you have dry balcony. So this is your dry balcony. I'll show you. In this you have inlet outlet provision for washing machine. And bang opposite to your kitchen you have your balcony. So this balcony will be covered from top. You can see. So no odd even concept. Your space utilization is 100%. Privacy is fully taken care of. So this balcony is very spacious. At this side you can put a round table. This area is the standing balcony area, and here, as I said, you can put a round table. It will have anti-skated tiles of the same color which you are seeing, and this is the external view. Currently the project is in under construction, as I said. So these towers are upcoming. You can see these towers are upcoming. Amenities are fully functional. So you will get the link of the amenities just below this video. This is also amenity space in front of your balcony. And now we'll see the bedrooms. So at the very left side you have first bedroom of this apartment. So you can see a queen sized bed has been placed, and still you have ample space to roam around, and you can decorate your room accordingly. The more space will get, the more beautifully you can decorate your room. So 100% space utilization has been taken care of in this project. And this side you have a window for ventilation. Again you have amenity view from your window. and this side is common washroom. So the fittings fixtures will be same, the tile selection, color combination and the CP sanitary fittings all will be same. You can see the CP fittings are from Jaguar, a very well known brand, and this side is your shower area. Now we'll see the other two bedrooms. This is the second bedroom and the master bedroom of this flat. So this bedroom has two windows, you can see, for good ventilation, and this side is the space for wardrobe. So after your wardrobe and all, you have ample space. This side you can put your television also. This is a king size bed, you can see. Here you can put your dressing table. A dedicated space has been provided, and this is attached washroom. Again the fittings will be same. As you can see, this is the shower area. And opposite to this you have the third and the final bedroom of this flat. This is the children bedroom. So like this you can decorate this room. Here you can place a study table, you can place the beds. Again, space has been provided for wardrobe and other beautification. So like this you can decorate your entire flat. So this is a smart 3 BHK. We also have 2 BHK in various sizes starting from 774 square feet. We also have spacious 3 BHK of more than 1100 square feet, and this is very nearby to Bombay Pune highway, and it comes under PCMC. It has 6 residential towers of 21 floors each, so a very luxurious segment. And we are having nearing possession apartments available, as I said. So please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned below this video, and please like this video, share to your friends, relatives, and subscribe our channel to get more updates regarding this project. We are waiting for your feedbacks and responses. We are having some exciting offers regarding this project, so please contact us as soon as possible. And thank you again, thank you so much for watching this video. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses.